With opening coming soon, you may be excited to plan for your new home at NAU. We'd like to help you pack smart so your move-in experience goes well. Pack the essentials first. Really think about what you're actually going to need and only bring one car belongings. And definitely no U-Hauls. For example, you're not going to need a massive head-to-toe bubble jacket when you arrive in August, so visit nau.edu/campusliving/what to bring for a guideline to get you started. When you arrive for your move-in apartment, you'll be able to check out a blue bin to help taking your things. Your move-in challenge is to move into your room using as few trips with the blue bin as possible. We have some ideas that can help you prepare for this. Use boxes to pack oddly shaped items like hangers, shoes, and bottles so it's easier to get them into the blue bin. Our packing pros have some more tips they'd like to share.
Students shouldn't bring their own furniture. We provide that already.
Bring reusable grocery bags. They don't take up a lot of space.
Less heavy-duty winter clothes, less heavy jackets.
I would just say bring what you need, don't overthink it.
Do not bring duplicate items. Plan accordingly to your roommate and agree what one person can bring and the other person can bring.
So pack smart and be sure to keep checking your NAU email. We'll see you on campus soon.